Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are all doing great today on this beautiful Wednesday morning. Good morning, my dude. Hope you guys are all doing well. Great day today. Good morning. It's time. Let's go. Good morning. Hope you guys are all doing great. Doing pretty solid today so far. We're currently up 5.07% today. Not too shabby. Roblox, personally, I think it's going to be a great stock long term. It's going to be inflated a little bit right after the IPO once it's able to be sold to normal people like you and me. But hey, good morning, Average Joe. Love your name. Looking green. You're 100% right about that. 20 Canada 20. 100% right about that. Looking green today. Yesterday we were up 8.43%, and today we're up 4.66% so far. Looking in the right direction. Good morning. Hope you're having a good day so far. We'll just get a few more minutes for people to get in here, and then we'll get firing up. So time today, good morning. Yep, time today looking pretty good. It's at 209 right now. It went over that sell wall at 208. If we can stay above the 208 level, I'm going to be very confident with where we're at right now. Nice, I love to see it, Ken. Let's get it today. You're right about that. Nice to see you again here every morning. Love you. From Ontario, Canada, what's going on? Your boy, Lukey, what's up? Here we are. Good morning from Toronto. Love to see my Canadian neighbors out here. Love to see you guys here every single day. I really appreciate every single one of you. From Nashville, Tennessee, love it. Roblox, I think Roblox is going to be great. I think it is smart to hold TYME till the end of the year. Personally, I will be taking half of my profits at $5.50. Good morning, good afternoon, good morning. Thank you, my pleasure. So here's what we're going to do today. I'm going live, as you can see right now, for pre-market, and then later at noon, for all of you in my Discord, we'll be doing a live stream in Discord, kind of explaining the functionality and answering some questions that you guys have about my Discord and how to operate it and what to see and what is being posted and so on. So we can provide the most value to you, even if you're in the free or premium versions. All green in this morning. Oh yeah, let's see. Look at our stocks here. We only have 2 stocks that are currently in the red this morning. We have XL Fleet down 1.46%, and we have GBS down 0.15%. Not too shabby at all. NNDM still running at $9.48, up 7.59% pre-market. We got NEO up 4.55% pre-market. We got Butterfly up 2.14%. We got TYME up 6.09%. And it's sitting at 209 right now. We got POTX up 5.87%. We have ITRM staying pretty solid. We have Switch up 0.49%. We have Zynga up 0.49%. We have BOTZ, BOTZ up 0.12%. And we have ADT up 0.39%. And I was given ADT, 1 share of ADT, and 1 share of Zynga today. Free stocks from referrals from Webull. We'll be selling. Good morning. We'll be selling one of those stocks. We'll be selling the ADT this morning. We'll hold on to the Zynga. Bitcoin will continue to run up over the long term. It's not a short-term game. It's not a day trade. It's not a week trade. It's not a month trade. If you're going to get into Bitcoin, you want to stay into Bitcoin until the end of 2024. Morning. SOS, personally, I love SOS long term. I think it has some tremendous potential. But personally, there's a lot better options in the stock market right now when it comes to recovery stocks. It's kind of like NNDM, ITRM. GBS is going to be coming back pretty fast. Butterfly doing really good. Switch is going to come back. It had a price target at 26 before this whole drop happened. What's going on, William? Hope you're having a good day. Silly Rob is in the house. What's up? TAKOF. Dow. DAL. Delta Airlines. Personally, I'm staying away from all airlines and cruise lines until the end of 2021 when business travel resumes. Business travel is about 70 to 65% of all airlines and cruise lines revenue streams. So I'm personally staying away with them going up so much as they have in the last month. I believe the airlines and cruise lines are artificially pumping their stock to dump on bag holders like normal people, you and me. So personally, I'm staying away. NPA, I think I like NPA. NNDM is still a buy, 100%. Market looks good to me. Yes, it does. It does. Looks pretty good. Second favorite stock under TYME when it comes to being cheap long term. I really like GBS. GBS is working to end diabetes. They actually have a sensor coming out to detect COVID-19 antibodies in your body, as well as glucose swabs for diabetes. So that's going to be huge. Huge, huge, huge. GBS. G as in golf, B as in boy, S as in Scott, sitting at $6.68. I have a price target by the end of the year of $30. Roblox, it's going to be a good one long term. Tesla and NIO, they're both doing fantastic right now. Tesla and NIO are both buys at the current moment. They're going to be buy and hold for a really long time. They're going to be great stocks over the long term. I don't even care what happened with this recent drop. It's going to go back up. SPC up 8% today. Thoughts? Personally, I'm staying away from SPCE right now until they are able to figure out their launch situation. They've delayed their launch about 3-4 times, and I'm fed up with it. I don't own any of the stocks, and I'm glad I don't, but personally, I'm staying away for the time being. Solo, I like Solo long term. NIO is going to continue to be great over the long term. As soon as their quarter 1 deliveries come out and everyone sees that they completely killed their deliveries compared to last year, it's going to be huge. Costs up 38%. Congratulations. That's nice. 250K. Muddy Waters said that they see XL at $2. XL's not going to $2, guys. XL's not going to $2. Bitcoin on fire last week. Mara and Riot performed well. They did. View, staying away. Ideanomics. Personally, I love Ideanomics. I did a live stream of their earnings call when it was sitting at about 91 cents, and it was continuously dropping, and then I went back up and had that huge spike to around 350 or something. But IDEX is a great company. They're basically making electric agriculture vehicles, so like electric tractors, electric things to plow your farm or whatever. I don't know the names of them, but IDEX is a great company, and I believe it's going to have a $5 price target by the end of the year. VYGR, personally staying away. Workhorse, I think Workhorse is going to be a tremendous stock over the long term. Personally, I believe that it's kind of in the same risk category as XL, believe it or not. And I think it's not as good of a buy as XL is, but I think Workhorse will still perform tremendous long term. It is going up. Workhorse is going to be a great stock, not saying it's not. ZOM, I like ZOM. Mark Cuban, Dogecoin, yeah, I know he's on Dogecoin, but that's not going to make me bite that bullet, I promise you. Workhorse is going up, yes it is. You think we hit bottom? Man, everything looking green. We're not out of the woods yet. Even though it looks fantastic, our portfolio's booming right now, we got to remember that a lot of the stocks are still down since before the drop happened, so we have to be on safeguard here, guys. We do not want to be holding all of our stocks and just have it go right back down to where it was before and have everyone freak out again. That's not the point. The point is, with what we learned from the last drop, we know that we should be taking profit more often. If you have a gain on a company that's not making a lot of money and it's 40, 50, 60, 100, 200%, you have to take those profits, because when a correction happens in the market like it did before, those stocks get absolutely hammered. GE, I love GE. Buy Disney and Apple. Disney and Apple are both tremendous stocks. I'll be buying some of those up as soon as I get out of TYME. HCMC, personally staying away. TTCF earnings, what do you think? I like TTCF personally. Over the long term, I'm in the same. I need to take profits. Yep, you just need to take profits more often. There's nothing wrong with that. We just have to be aware of what mistakes we're making and fix them for the future. And so we get better and better every day. If we become better traders and better traders in the stock market and get better at what we do 1% every single day, we're going to be a professional before you know it. I'm only 22 years old, getting 1% better every single day. We're in for a hell of a ride. Well, TYME is a very interesting one. A lot of people won't believe me on this, but it's okay, and a lot of people do believe me on this. I believe TYME will be at the forefront of curing pancreatic cancer, as well as helping get the new vaccine for COVID-19, since there are so many different strains and they don't depend on having to pick a specific strain with their vaccine. So I think you see TYME in double digits by the end of the year. Personally, I'm taking half of my profit at $5.50 and selling the rest at $8. JMIA pre-market. I bet you it's so good. Bet you it's so good. JMIA up 23% pre-market. That's what I like to see. Up to 41.63. Boom, boom. Let's get it. TYME, yep, doing pretty good. TYME, yep, at $2.08 right now. NEXE staying away. QS, I love QS. CBDT staying away. Do I trade options? I don't really trade as many options as a lot of other people do. I know that when the market's in these kinds of conditions, trading options can be absolutely lethal. And if you traded options and the correction happened, you got absolutely screwed. And so that's why I do not trade options during this time in the market. When we're in a major bull run, possibly, I've done a couple of them here and there, but it's not something that I normally do, because when you do an option trade, it is more risk. Even though you can make more money, you can also lose more money. So you got to be aware. I'm aware of my strengths, and I just kind of do it the way I like to. AMC, personally, I'm staying away from AMC. IPOE, I like IPOE. TNXP, I like TNXP. LLY, let's check it out. Lilly, sitting at 206. Oh, Lilly's a great stock. This company is beating earnings. They crushed earnings recently. I mean, it's sitting pretty high right now. It looks like their resistance is sitting at about $206.11, where they're currently at right now. Let's see if we can push up over resistance. But overall, I think this stock's pretty safe, but it has risen quite a large amount. Personally, if you're looking for a new investment, I would stay away. And if you're up a bunch, I would take your profit. Plug, I love Plug long-term. NEO's going to be a great one long-term. Buy Bitcoin stocks. Personally, why buy Bitcoin stocks when you already own Bitcoin, right? Wouldn't you rather own Bitcoin than Bitcoin stocks, guys? Like, come on. I've been saying Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin since I was 12 years old. All my family laughed at me. They told me they wouldn't let me buy 4 Bitcoin for $100 each when I was a little kid. They wouldn't buy $1,000 of cryptocurrency and Ethereum when it was under $20, and I told all of my rich uncles it would pay for my college, and they thought I was crazy. Cryptocurrency is huge. It's going to continue to grow as fintech does with it. The blockchain is legit, but should it consist of 100% of your portfolio? Absolutely not. I hope you guys know that. Oh yeah, my pleasure. Thank you so much. Thoughts on gold-backed crypto? There's only 3 real cryptocurrencies that I invest in right now that I would invest in. There's only 3. When I was 12 years old, there was only 3 cryptos. Those were the ones that started it all, and those are the ones that are going to continue to succeed over the other ones. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. BTC, ETH, and LTC. I love Roblox long term. Roblox is going to be a great company. As more people play the game, as gaming continues to grow, it's going to be a great, great investment over the long term. Time pre-market up to 207, not too shabby. CTRM, personally, I'm staying away. SCYX and CAT-B, I would definitely hold until at least the end of the year. VXRT, I love VXRT. Let's look at what it's doing right now. VXRT sitting at $6.52. I currently have their resistance at about $7.14. So just be really careful about that. They had a little bit of a pump here up to $25, and now it's all the way back down to about $5 or $6. So personally, it could be a really good investment. And if there's a time to invest in it, it's right now while it's sitting at its support. OZSC, I have 18,000 shares. OZSC. Oh my goodness, OZSC. That's a lot of shares. I would be really careful with that. Got TYME at 170. When should you take profit? Whenever you're ready. When you have a gain that you like, that you're happy with, take profit. Don't even listen to me. I think it's going to 550. I'm selling half at 550, selling the other half at $8. If you like your profit, take it whenever you're ready. I can't tell you when you can take your profit or not. Roblox, I love Roblox. OZSC, I'm staying away. It's low for a reason. And it just moved under its moving average. Looks like it's going back down. We will see. Time will tell, but be very careful. NOK, personally, I'm staying away from NOK. Not looking good for XL. What do you mean not looking good for XL? Yesterday it went up 10%, and today it is up 0.69%, and they refuted the short report, and they're getting a lot of buying volume. I don't see why it's really bad for XL right now. Since closing on Monday, it's up 10.88%. Looking pretty good in my eyes. OCGN, personally, I'm staying away. GRWG, staying away. OBLN, staying away. I love Bingo. XPeng, personally, staying away. The only company in China that I support or believe in is NIO when it comes to electric vehicles. ATOS, going to continue to be a great stock. Just made a deal with Navy OZSC, waiting for Tesla news. That would be wild. That would be wild. I could be 100% wrong about that. XL is good. Don't listen to what they said. NBY, let's look at it. I don't like SNDL. NBY, I mean, if you're going to buy it, it's looking like it's in a good spot right now. But personally, this is a pretty risky penny stock. They haven't made any money. They are participating in a 33rd annual Roth conference. They're infectious diseases. I mean, I don't know. I would stay away from this one. I mean, people have a price target of about $3.50 on it, $2.62. Personally, if you're going to buy it, it's in a good spot. But personally, I'm staying away from a stock like that. Oh, yeah. No, I know. Some of this time, this guy loves TYME. Yep, I do. Pins. Time has positive revenue. Time actually historically has not had positive revenue. I'm banking on their future potential, their current scientific studies that are already almost concluded their third phase of their clinical trials, showing some great data, and I just think it's a little bit better than most penny stocks. That's why I'm invested a lot into it. Yep, Dare should be a good one. Time is a penny stock. You're 100% right. It is. I'm not saying I don't like all penny stocks. I'm not saying that at all. I don't like oil and gas stocks right now because the stock market currently runs on future production, what people expect to happen in the future. And in the future, we're going to use less gas. Everyone knows that. All this unwarranted hate that comes your way on TYME pushes me to want to buy even more. Me too, man. Me too. I love Roblox. On open, it's going to be a little high, but personally, Roblox is going to be a great long investment. Are you going to sell if it reaches 550 after hours or pre-market? If it reaches 550, I will be selling half my shares. Yes. ASXC, good news. Oh, thanks so much for sharing, my dude. CTRM, personally, I'm staying away. It could have some crazy rebound potential, but I'm not going to bank myself on that. Bingo and Eyes were penny stocks too. Yep, they were, and they were both called in the Discord. Is there any specific you always want to have kind of a percent goal or end target in mind whenever you buy a stock, every single time. So when the time comes, you know to sell. And when the time doesn't come, you know it's not time to sell. So sometimes you're going to be wrong, sometimes it's going to be right. With all due respect, my guy, no way TYME hits 550 screenshot. Oh, I will. I will. Anyone that doesn't believe that can hit $5.50 in the long term, they're not doing their research. And that's okay. Not everyone's going to do the research. I understand. Airbnb, I love Airbnb. DPW, I love it. ABIO, staying away. Good entry for Switch right now. Hey, Joey, I love your dedication. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. DPW, staying away. I believe, me too. ITRM, I love ITRM. HYLN, personally, I'm staying away. CRDL, staying away. XL at 20. I bought XL at 19.34. I'm still holding on. American Airlines, staying away from airlines. I love Ford. ABIO has a nice pop last year. Yeah, I know I'm not touching iBio, though. Eyes and Clover Health do look in pretty good positions. Don't vape. I can't help it. We're working on it. You proved so many people wrong. How many times do you have to do that? People, yeah, I know. I got to prove the world wrong many times, but it's okay. I'm just going to continue to do it for the rest of my life. I'm only 22. We're going to be doing it a lot of times. I've done it my whole life. Personally, I'm staying away from them because I believe in XL a little bit more than them. I do. And plus, it's kind of a speculative company. They're not making money. SOS, staying away. Well, I mean, it could be good, but I'm staying away. I like SOS long term, but I'm staying away. PSTH, I don't. A lot of speculation. I don't know what they're doing, and I'm not going to invest in something that I don't really know about. Type when 550. I can't tell you when it's going to hit 550. If I could tell you, we'd be rich already. No, I think I'm waiting to buy all airlines and cruise lines until the end of 2021 when business travel resumes. SRPT, I love SRPT. Buzz, looking pretty good to me. PLTR, great long term. ASRT, staying away. ZKIN, staying away. PLTR, I love PLTR long term. Cruise lines and airlines, I'm staying away from them until the end of 2021. Crypto future, I think crypto has a great future. You're going to see crazy movement on crypto between now and March of 2024. Not short term, between now and March of 2024. Thank you so much, Jeff. I appreciate the donations. I love you. What's the best buy today? There's so many buys today. I really like Apple right now. I really like Tesla. If you're looking for cheaper stocks, I really love Switch, SWCH, a great dividend stock. NEO looking pretty strong right now. POTX starting to rebound. My POT dividend. GBS looks great. Butterfly. TYME looks pretty good. Sitting at 203 here pre-market. NNDM, ITRM, a lot of stuff. Thank you so much, Vic. I appreciate it. ATMC staying away. NEO is fantastic. You're 100% right about that. They're going to be a great company long term. We have 7 minutes till market open, and we are currently today are up 3.34%. Not too bad. I'll take it. Hey man, what's going on? What's going on, Jay? NSPR. Personally, I love NSPR long term. My pleasure. Thank you so much for coming in today. Snow, I love Snow. Snow's going to continue to be a great stock over the long term. Bingo, I love Bingo. Roblox going to be great long term as well as gaming continues to intensify in the world. Can, I love Can. ZOM staying away. HYLN, I'm staying away. Tilray is staying away. I am investing, when it comes to POT, I'm investing in ETFs, POT ETFs under the ticker POTX. MJ is pretty good too. TRCH, I don't have any info on TRCH, but overall I think it has some great long-term potential. CSCW, staying away. How do I get so many people in here? Because I engage with my audience every single day. I spend hours talking to each and every one of you guys. I respond to every single message I get. I try to respond to every single comment I get. No other creators do that. And when you see a creator with 300,000 followers and 20 people in the live stream, you know something's fishy and they're buying fake followers. I'm telling you. Some people on my PC setup. No update on my PC setup yet. So we're still saving a little bit. I'm not going to get a crazy expensive PC, but I have to have my roommate that used to live with me move his bed out first. I can't just throw his bed out in the garbage, Yeah, that's my extra room. I don't have my PC set up yet, but we're working on it, and it should be coming pretty soon as my friend is able to come over here. I believe he's coming over at the end of the month this month to take out his bed out there, and we'll get that set up ready, and we'll be able to do longer YouTube videos. We'll be able to go on live on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok all at the same time. I'm really excited. Bing Bong Applesauce, we love your name, and thank you so much. Appreciate you. NXTD, staying away. Where do you see XL by the end of the year? I see XL sitting at about $40, $45, maybe even $50 by the end of the year. XL has some great potential long term. I got POTX on Roth IRA, good for long term, guys. 100% POTX is going to be great long term. I can easily see in the next 5-10 years POTX at $100. Oh, yeah, my pleasure. Yeah, Switch is a great company. They're building a data farm in Grand Rapids, and we all know data is the most valuable resource in the world today. So make sure to keep it on your watch list. Sorry. Boop. AMC staying away. UAVs. Yeah, perfect. I would sell UAVs. Get out while you can. Yeah, lawsuits are never good for stocks like that. You have no idea how far down it can go when it comes to. I didn't miss AMC. It's something that I don't want to personally invest in. It's something I don't believe. I'm staying away from AMC. I'm staying away from GameStop. I've seen and watched people lose thousands of dollars on those stocks. So I'm staying away. Well, I hope you guys are right. I hope you guys wish you the best of luck. Fubo, staying away. Can you describe what Excel does? So Excel makes hybrid vehicles, takes normal vehicles, turns them into a hybrid vehicle, and then sells them to companies to transport their products like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, dealerships, companies like that, like Ford, GM even. They sell their hybrids to companies like as trucks to be able to like kind of ship products back and forth in their hybrids. And it's supposed to do some crazy stuff like give 50% better fuel efficiency or something. And it's something that's going to be really great over the long term. Wouldn't they just buy a new one? No, they wouldn't just buy a new one. AVGR long term. I like it. I like AVGR long term. HYLN product is better. Why? They haven't done any more deliveries than them. HYLN has almost zero deliveries compared to them. Excel's delivered more than 4,000 vehicles this year, and HYLN is yet to do over 200. And also Excel's expected to do even double of what they've already done this year for the rest of the year, and HYLN is not set to even do 1,000 sales this year. So I got to take that into consideration. Autonomous vehicles, I'm iffy about it. It's going to be tough to do, especially in states like where I'm living in when there's snow. I don't know how they're going to do it, but they might be able to. I like crypto on PayPal. Still bullish on KO. Yep, I'm bullish on KO. That's why HYLN is good, because companies don't have to buy new trucks. They're not buying anything from HYLN recently. Sens looking good long term. CGC staying away. SNDL staying away. Baba staying away. Lemonade, love Lemonade. Let's see here. He's doing $5,000 to $1 million challenge. Is it? Yep. Thank you, Silly Rob. Appreciate you. But yeah, currently today we are up 3.4%. We're sitting at we're actually at $6,069 right now. Yesterday we were at about $5,800. So we jumped up a couple $100 here today. I think Buzz will do pretty good. What's going on, Coach? Hope you're having a good day, my dude. Excella, personally staying away. QD, let's see. 206, I mean, personally, I think it'll underperform a lot. That's what some analysts are saying on here. I don't know a lot about the company. I would have to look more into it, but a lot of institutional holdings have decreased their position, about 35% of them. So personally, I'm staying away. I love, let's see, stock CEOs. What's my outlook on TYME? What do you know? So TYME, it's sitting at $2.04. In the next couple months, I'm expecting a pump here to about $5.50, $6 once some news comes out, and on their their update on how their trial's doing. So that's going to be huge. I'm planning to sell half of my TYME shares at $5.50 and the other half at $8 later on at the end of the year. Thanks, Coach. Appreciate you. ATMC, personally, I'm staying away. OCGN, personally, I'm staying away. I mean, I don't really know a lot about that space, so that's why I'm staying away. Not saying it's bad. How do you get one of your hoodies? Oh, I actually have to re-put the link in the bio to get one of these hoodies. We'll figure that out soon. Kind of in delay here. So I'll figure out the hoodies soon for you. If you want to get one of these hoodies, just message me and we'll try to see if we can get you up with one. I'm trying to see what's up with my manufacturer or something. I might switch them. We might stay with them. We're not really sure. We'll see. A therapeutics company, GBS. As an investor, if you believe something's going up and it doesn't, when should you sell? So that's a really great question. When that happens, you have to be realistic with your goal. You have to look at your goal and say, was it a realistic goal? What are other people talking about when it comes to this company? Are other smart investors investing in this company? What are their plans for the long term? Do you think their plans for the long term are going to help provide them with more revenue to make your stock price go up? Or is it because you don't believe in the company anymore, or did you just not get the money as fast as you wanted to? You got to ask yourself those questions. Lumber stocks right now, personally, I like lumber stocks right now. I think it could be pretty good. But with everyone being so environmentally friendly, I'd personally stay away. It is 9:30 today. Let's get it. The market is open. Our portfolio is at $6,039. Not too shabby. Currently up so far 3.41% for the day. TYME sitting at $2.04 off the gate. Not too bad. What do you think about Roblox? I love Roblox. MEID, personally staying away. Hey, bro, what's going on? Good morning. I should buy one share of Roblox to see. I don't have enough money to buy one share of Roblox. I actually have almost no buying power in my account because I have a lot of money in TYME. We got to hold on. We got to be patient. And we're not going to chase anything. We're just going to hold on and see what we got right now. Just holding on. Because when we cash in on TYME, it's going to be great. I'm going to give $1,000 away back to my community, $100 back to 10 people, and that's huge. XMET, I'm staying away. I'm not really sure. What's the TYME endgame? Personally, I'm selling half at $5.50 and the rest of it at $8 later on in the year. Hope you have a great day. Fuel Cell, personally, I'm staying away from Fuel Cell. TYME up to $2.06.5. Our portfolio is sitting at $6,135 this morning. Green Day, you're right about that. Looking pretty good to me so far. It's what I like to see. Let's go. Perfect. Neo, I went in again at 37. Nice, Silly Rob. That's a good buy. But I just want to personally thank you guys so much for being on these live streams with me every single morning. It means the absolute world. Not a lot of people get this kind of engagement on their live streams every morning, and I just want you to know that I'm not taking it for granted at all. I'm super blessed for every single one of you guys here every single day. I am jumping on Tesla after TYME. I will be buying one share of Tesla. I'll be buying some Apple. I'll be buying some Disney. We'll be going a little safer in the market here after we go to the moon. Oh, my pleasure, Courtney. Thank you so much for your support. I'm always going to be here. This is so fun to me. I can't talk like this to my girlfriend about stocks, so I talk to you guys about stocks, and I love it. Love to see it. Yep, making money for everyone. If everyone can make money, I'm happy. That makes me really happy that we're able to start putting ourselves in a good position, see the power of the stock market, and see what we can do with our money. I appreciate it, Blind Bong Applesauce. That's a funny name to say. Thank you so much for the gift. I appreciate it. Should I buy time right now? It's at 2:09. That's up to you. I was telling you guys, you had to buy when it was down, when everyone was saying I was dumb and didn't know what I was talking about. That was the time to buy. But not right now is a pretty good time to buy too. I was saying that a buy under 250 long term is a good buy in my personal opinion. TYME is pumping. It's sitting at $2.09. Our portfolio is sitting at $6,188 this morning. Doing pretty good, and we are up 5.48% today. I like it. I'm holding my Neo. I have 10 Neo. Holding on to it. Today, Neo is up 7.62%. So that's what I like to see. I'm holding on to it. It's going back up. Where would I invest $1,000? So if it's your first investment of $1,000, I would really consider more safe stocks. Like I really like GBS, Switch, maybe some Apple and Disney in there, or just Apple. Apple, Switch, and GBS, Apple, Switch, GBS, a little bit TYME, something around that lines. Just make sure the companies that you buy, you know what they do, you know how they make money, you believe in the companies, you believe they will make money, and if you can do that and kind of reaffirm what I'm telling you, then I say go for it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love lemonade. Apple is so boring but safe. It's not going to be boring when I'm telling you, McDonald's was boring at $2 back in the day. Look where it's at right now. That's all I'm going to say. A penny stock is such a large percentage of my portfolio because it is going up, and I believe in the company, and to show my followers that I support my decision to buy TYME, and that I really believe in TYME, and I think TYME is going to go up, I bought 2,214 shares. Putting $50 million in Roblox. Yep, that's a lot of money. If you have the money to do it, put $50 million in Roblox. Do it. I don't have $50 million. It'll take me a while to get to $50 million. I'll get there one day. G5, what's going on? What do you think about CTRM? Personally, I'm staying away from CTRM, but guys, I got to get going. Thank you guys so much for joining my live stream today. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to be there for my Discord live at noon. It's going to be hype. We're going to kind of talk Discord functionality, how to use it, how to get the best value out of it for you. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to do your own research, stick to your plan, and as always, happy trading.